everybody, and welcome to the first episode of Dogs and More Dogs. Guess what we're going to show on this show? Dogs. And guess what? More dogs. And then we might bring in more dogs and maybe a few more dogs. Let's get started. Well, we thought we'd take the first episode of Dogs and More Dogs to meet all the Kraft Dogs.
Bonnie was our first. We adopted her from Orphan Dog Rescue, and she came with some high anxiety. Sig was our second, and we got him more so as a therapy dog for Bonnie. And then our third dog we just got about 5 months ago. We call her our COVID-19 dog, and that is Lassie.
The oldest, Bonnie, was a real challenge early on.
Bonnie came to us at about 4 to 5 months old. She was rescued from Lake County during the fires that were up there about 5 years ago. She was very timid, very anxious, and so we've had to do a lot of behavior management and some therapy for her to feel like a normal dog.
Sig may be number 2, but he's top dog around here.
Before this trio, there was the first and most special Kraft dog.
Cooper was our first family dog. We rescued him at about 12 weeks, 18 weeks from the pound. And we had him for about 13, 14 years.
4 dogs and 4 rescues. That's not counting the birds, the cats, and the fish. This has been William Kraft reporting.
Well, I don't know about the birds and the fish, but we got plenty of cat rescues. That's right. We'll be right back after this. Welcome back to the show. Our next story is about the orange sky we experienced a couple weeks ago. It affects us humans, but you know it also affects our dogs. Let's take a look.
All around me are familiar faces, worn out places, worn out faces, bright and early for their daily races, going nowhere, going nowhere. Their tears are filling up their glasses, no expression, no expression. Hide my head, I wanna drown my sorrow. No tomorrow, no tomorrow. And I find it kinda funny, I find it kinda sad. The dreams in which I'm dying are the best I've ever had. I find it hard to tell you, I find it hard to take. When people run in circles, it's a very, very mad world. Mad world. Children waiting for the day they feel good. Happy birthday, happy birthday. And to feel the way that every child should sit and listen, sit and listen. Went to school and I was very nervous. No one knew me, no one knew me. Hello teacher, tell me what's my lesson. Look right through me, look right through me. And I find it kinda funny, I find it kinda sad. The which I'm dying are the best I've ever had. I find it hard to tell you, I find it hard to take. The people run in circles, it's a very, very mad world. Mad world. Enlarging your world. Mad world.
It's always important to remember that during times of smoke and fire, when there's ash falling from the sky, make sure you take away all pet water and pet food because the ash is poisonous. And thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time on Dogs and More Dogs. Say bye-bye, Lassie. Bye-bye. See you next time.